The process begins at dawn, ensuring the milk is fresh as it's collected by these state-of-the-art machines.
How condensed milk is made.
The hydraulic press ensures an airtight seal, preserving the condensed milk for shipment. The fresh milk is standardized and then pumped through these stainless steel pipes before moving on to the evaporation stage.
How condensed milk is made.
How condensed milk is made.
The milk is heated in a vacuum, allowing it to boil at a lower temperature to prevent scorching.
The process begins with fresh milk, slowly heated and thickened until it reaches this rich, viscous consistency.
Here, the fresh milk is condensed under vacuum, boiling at a low temperature as the vapor is drawn off.
The process begins by adding massive amounts of fine, granulated sugar to the milk.
We are looking at how condensed milk is made. Notice the texture as it finally becomes creamy.
The process begins as the thick, sweet mixture is drawn through the polished steel pipes by powerful vacuums. Here we see the thick, viscous milk flowing into the alignment channels, a crucial step before the evaporation process. The machinery precisely crimps the lid onto the freshly filled can, creating an airtight seal to lock in the freshness.
Once filled and sealed,
The cans are rapidly labeled before moving on to packaging.